and gentlemen, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and I hope this is going to work because it says the battery power is low, but it looks like it is not charging. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck. I don't know. It's either going to work or it won't. We shall see. But today we got one near and dear to my little daughter Mimi's heart. This is Acecook Mocchico yakisoba. I don't even know if this is still recording. Yeah, it is. It's just not showing it up on the phone. I hope it is. Are you in there? Is anybody in there? I can't tell. You should be charging. Anyway, Mocchico yakisoba with Hello Kitty on it. Fun, right? So this came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get a discount. I don't even know if you can see me correctly, so I'm just gonna have to wing it this episode, as it were. Dump this liquid in. Gee whiz. There we go. I believe this goes for 4 minutes. Meow, 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 meow. Get rid of this excess liquid. Don't need that right now. Oh no. Oh no, we don't. Whoa! Cupboard was showing. That's disgraceful. You ever seen on a cooking show? They never have their cupboards showing. I always thought that was weird. It's like usually you go into somebody's kitchen, nobody closes the cupboards after they open them. That's how we bang our heads on them, right? I mean, it's just kind of silly to expect that everybody closes the cupboards, but I try to put on the facade. I banged my head on that cupboard door right there last night, and it actually closed the door, so I was at least able to say it was efficient in at least closing the door. However, it did hurt, and some profanities were spake in my midst, let me tell you. So let's do our quote of the day from Momo Fukuendo Speaks. This is a book of quotations by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 10. Failure does not provide us with the key to success. Okay, that's true, but you can learn. You can learn, right? Are you capable of learning? I certainly hope so. If I set a timer, I did. Man, it happened again. It freaking happened again. So we got a new neighbor downstairs, and they don't like it when I do all my apartment labs. I mean, I understand. I totally dig it. I'm right there. I don't like the fact, and I'm totally down with people smoking pot, right? But I don't like the fact that the people upstairs smoke so much of it. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. I mean, they gotta, when they do, they gotta smoke like 10 bowls. Either that or whatever they got is so skunky, but I have no problem with people smoking weed. Not at all. Just that amount is, it's a little much. Let me put it that way. But anyways, yeah, I guess the person downstairs is a student and it's bothering them. But then last night they were bumping tunes until like 10 p.m. So I don't know. I just don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I'm not going to quit doing my stepping altogether. I don't want to quit at all. But right now my feet are killing me. So it's actually kind of a nice time. I try to turn everything into a positive, and that's definitely one thing I can do with that. Except for the fact this camera seems to be not working right now. So I'm gonna try fixing that in just a minute. Alright, so this thing's being a pain in the butt, ladies and gentlemen, yet again. Whoever designed the GoPro needs to be fired, I swear to God. It's a neat device, I'll give you that, but it just has so many bugs. Maybe mine just has so many bugs, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it's regular. There's nothing weird about it. But, and it's hot, so I'm not even doing it in 4K. I've given up on that for now because it just overheats. So I'm adding the liquid. I can't see what you see. I'm really sorry. So I'm hoping maybe you can kind of see what I'm doing here. But there's the yakisoba sauce. Pretty standard. So I believe this noodle has a bit of barley, what do you call it? Barley gluten, which gives it the mochi. It's all barley, or mochi is just barley gluten, I believe. Gives it a spring in its step, a bounce in its chew. If it does or it doesn't, I can't tell. And so, like many other things, I believe the Hello Kitty level on this is just on the label. There's like no Hello Kittitude in here. This appears to be a little bit of seaweed. We'll go like that. Also, I've heard of this called as green laver in Sapporo Ichiban chow mein. That's just powdered seaweed. Alright. So, that's done. There's really not a whole lot to this. And it's kind of sad because it has Hello Kitty on it, but there's no Hello Kitty in it. So what can we do about that? Well, look at that. What's that, you ask? I will share it. How many of these are left? There's like... That's as far as I'm going. Let's bump this up. It is time for the lovin'. It is time for the springtime of my growing, I don't know. Power now. Lifting. Energizing, and let's get back over here. That didn't go so well, I don't think. It ends up just going everywhere. We'll let our lone kitty head still be visible. And we're gonna add an egg. Not because it's a standard thing to do, but because I have 2 left, and heck, if I'm gonna waste these beauty eggs. It's not bad. It's a pretty standard yakisoba. All the same kind of stuff as like the payung or things like that, which I'm not really all that big of a fan of, I'll be honest. People are like, oh yeah, that payung stuff, that's like Japanese soul food. It's like, oh, Japanese got way more, Japan has way more better soul than that. I'm sorry. It's not that good. It's like 80 flavors of Kit Kat bars. You know which one's the best? The original. The rest suck. You'll be nice out there. You listen to me, children. You be nice out there. Now, what yakisoba is complete without some mayo, I ask you? But I'm gonna add a little Cchi mayo to put it mildly. This makes it much better. Like so. Are we still recording? God, I hope so. Hi. Hi. So you take the bag, there's mayo in that end. You take one of them. Pop a toothpick through. Smush it down to the other end. I know, somebody out there's going, but you're gonna waste all that mayonnaise. It's like, dude, sometimes the price of art is a little bit of waste. But you know, you can always turn the bag inside out and lick the bag if you're like that crazy about it. But you're gonna waste the bag. Shush. Come on, you. That's the constellation Polaris. Some seed. And hey, you be civil out there. Don't make me come out and do a bunch of make you watch Star Trek farts. Have you guys seen Star Trek farts? It's basically people from Star Trek and they take the video of them, like a long pause, and then they make a fart noise. It's like, Jim, he's what bones? What is it? That kind of thing. Alright, I hope this doesn't look stupid. I have a feeling it will. I apologize for that, but nothing I can do. Cheers. Well, this time tomorrow, you're gonna get to see something a little bit different. It says Cchi Foods from Japan. This came in a box from 5 a.m. Ramen. If you go to instantramen.jp, you can use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. This is Josui, Josui. Shio ramen. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.